Afghanistan, a country that has educated foreign soldiers for centuries. As a Canadian soldier, I was no exception. However, I learned something I didn't expect. I learned how to win the lottery. Contest chair, ladies and gentlemen, 10 years ago I deployed to Afghanistan as a combat engineer with the Canadian Armed Forces. July 2nd, 0500. My alarm rang. In a combat outpost, I prepared for patrol and to meet a man named Mohammed. He was a clean-shaven Afghan contractor about the same age as me. Although he wore traditional Afghan robes and sandals, he was an American movie buff who absolutely loved Rambo. Since Rambo 3 was filmed in Afghanistan, Rambo's fame is only surpassed by that of Baywatch's Pamela Anderson. While building a shed, Mohammed said, "Ja, you Canadians waste a lot of wood. Not very smart, like trying to fight Rambo. You should reuse shipping crates." Mohammed's carpentry skills reusing wood from shipping crates surpassed ours with new materials. Watching us struggle in the 45°C heat, Mohammed said, "Ja, you Canadians spend way too much time in sun, like Pamela Anderson. You should rise early, take midday nap." So to beat the heat, we began to rise at 0500 every morning. Mohammed never wasted an opportunity. "Ja, teach me English, language of money. Many foreign contracts require English." So as Mohammed continued to teach me construction, Afghan style, I began to teach him English, my style. Great phrases like "pull my leg" and "happy as a pig in poo." Like Toastmasters, we had word of the day: pension, retire. Two words that do not translate into Mohammed's language. John, you retire, collect a pension, you don't work. Ah, I know. You pull my leg. One day while we were preparing to repair a backed up sewer, Mohammed was late by 3 days. "Mohammed, where have you been?" "John, Taliban steal farm equipment. Been busy stealing back." "Mohammed, why didn't you phone 911? Another foreign concept. "John, you call 911, the police come, help you, not corrupt." "Ah, you pull my leg." Due to the uncertainty of the Taliban around Mohammed's village, he brought his kids to work for the next week. And every day there was 5 of them, every day on the job they would run up to Canadian soldiers. "Pen, pen, pen, a pen, a pen, a pen." "Mohammed, what's the deal with the pen?" "John, kids want pens so they can go to school." "As a kid, didn't you want to go to school?" Another foreign concept. I don't know about you, but as a kid, I looked for ways to get out of school. Not into it. At the end of our deployment, I renegotiated Mohammed's contract. Another year at $10 a day. To celebrate, we hosted Mohammed to a barbecue. After the barbecue, the troops played $10 rounds of poker. Mohammed's daily wage per round. Seeing more cash on that table than Mohammed would see in a month, he said, "John, you Canadians rich, like Rambo, Pam Anderson." Before he faded into the twilight that night, he shook my hand. "John, thank you for the contract extension. Help my kids get education, retire, collect a pension. I'm happy as a pig in poo. So lucky." I'm so lucky? I began to wonder if Mohammed was pulling my leg. To Mohammed, Canada sounded like this place that was strong like Rambo, beautiful like Pamela Anderson. However, if you had a better understanding, I began to wonder how I would respond to, John, Canada is a peaceful place, no Taliban, education, police, available to everyone, minimum wage more than $10 an hour? You pull my leg. Standing there, that's when I realized that Muhammad and I wanted the same things in life. Only difference was I had a marked advantage. I'd won the lottery, being born Canadian. Muhammad lives in a war-torn country, minimal education systems, a nominal police force, and makes $10 a day. He considers himself so lucky. What are we? Since Afghanistan, I'm happier than a pig in poo to be Canadian. And I'm reminded every time I hear, because that's the sound of me and you waking up lottery winners. Every day we wake up underneath this maple leaf. How are you going to spend your winning ticket?